today with my vlog, and this is Goat Love, and she's got Poe and Atticus out, and we also have the dogs in there, so we're seeing how well they're getting along.
You want to see something?
I'm waiting. We can't wait.
Poe!
We can't wait.
Poe!
Poe and Atticus.
Poe!
No, I can show you.
What? What?
Oh, come on.
You get down. Come here, Scooter. Come here, Scooter. Now wait.
What tricks have they learned today?
To get along with the dogs
Oh.
without trying to kill them.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Come here, Scooter. Pooh. Pooh, come here. Pooh.
That's good.
Come here, Pack. Pack.
Oh.
Packy up. Packy up. Packy, come here, Packy. Come here, Packy.
We going, Atticus?
Packy's still not quite brave enough.
Huh.
Come here, Scoot. I know. You're still not really happy over it, are you? Humped you, didn't I? Watch this, though. I'll put you in between my legs. Come here, Scooter. Pooh. 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 Look, look.
I see. Well, that's good.
You're such an upset. Oh, you found the stash.
Atticus, now he's got the.
Oh, you punked me, didn't ya?
And he didn't like it. He didn't like him a while back either, did he?
Come here, Scooter. Pooey. Pooey, come over here. Pooey, come here. Pooey, come here. Pooh. Pooh.
They are eating animal crackers. the same ones that your kids eat.
Yeah, I took them.
Look at that. They're getting right along.
Would you not? 'Cause you
Getting along.
Pocky, come here.
Pocket's
Princess.
eating grass. She got a tummy ache.
No, she's eating goat poo.
Oh, is she? Just like her mother.
Come here, Pack. Polly. Polly.
Go get an animal cracker. Go get an animal cracker.
I got smart and put the lid on it. Too bad for you. No, there's a lid on it. Have a good old time. You can figure out how to open it. You can have them all. Come here, Scooter. Come here, Scooter. Come here, Scooter.
Get that neck.
He's still scared. See? He's still scared.
Oh.
But he's overcoming it.
Yeah.
But he's still scared. see him cuddling up to me?
Yeah. That was sad. I did a delivery today.
Hop down. You're okay. Hop down, baby.
It was on a regular.
He's not gonna hurt you. See, he's not gonna hurt you. Look.
Regular residential street, and
Watch him. He sits pretty.
somebody hit
Learn
the
how to sit pretty like he does.
somebody hit the squirrel, and there was a whole family of squirrels, and they were running back and forth as if it just happened. And they were running around. I had to blow my horn just to get in front of them because they could care less about the cars. They were just pissed off because they
You made me sad though, telling me
lost one of their own. It's not like anybody not like they could have stopped and waited for them to get out of the way. You know, there were like 5 of them running back and forth, little ones and another adult. So I'm wondering if it was.
Is he sniffing his butt?
Yeah.
Don't bite me.
Yep.
Don't bite me. Right back up and down my lap. Don't bite me. No biting. No biting.
Atticus is gonna try and figure out how to get those
Here's the right way.
cookies out of
You
there.
ain't scared of him. You ain't scared of him.
You're bigger than he is.
You are not scared of him. You ate freaking cookies with him. You ain't scared of him. You're not scared of him. You ate cookies. Come here, Scooter. Come here, Scooter. I'm telling you, he was mine long before you were. He was mine long before you were. He's been mine for almost 10 years. And he ain't gonna hurt you. Ever.
All right, there you go.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Atticus. You gotta pick from Atticus. You gotta take something from Atticus. 'Cause Atticus ain't afraid of him.
The Shih Tzu's getting along with the
No,
Nigerian
still
goats.
not happy.
Yeah.
Still not a happy goat.
yeah. Yeah, but at least he's not on the alert. He's not.
No, this is on the alert.
No. It's on the alert.
This pointed forward is on the alert.
He's ready to sit down.
You're sitting on my leg.
He said, "What are you friends with the dogs for?" Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you will catch us on Goat Love.
Pocky. Princess want one? Does
Oh.
Pocky want one? Pocket. Pocket. Don't be scared. Don't let him punk you. Pocky, come here. Princess. Princess.
Don't forget to subscribe, share.
You guys are so greedy.
Yeah.
It's like you don't even know that Pooh's standing there behind you.
All right.